and on again. Here we go. Yes. This is Amanda. Hi, Amanda. How are you this morning? She is. And that's Tanya. Hi, Tanya. She's the guide captain. What? Hello. I think this is a school native. Thank you. Basement. Bush. There's a pretty lake down there. Creek thing. That's nice. It's already been turned off and on 3 times. Almost there. See the truck? Huh. What thing?
You're just dragging that shit on.
I can't hold her.
You need to be less short.
Oh, he's so tall. Alright, hold on. Okay. Does that work? Is that better? Yeah. Oh, Brittany and Monica are coming up again. Our friends, Brittany and Monica. Our elevator friends.
The coolest video ever.
I know, right?
Hi. Hello. Just the camera.
We're so close. Okay, that was our journey to the main camp, I guess you could call it. And okay.